But sit so that you are sitting in the front end of the chair, so that you're not leaning. This way we have our spine straight, connecting the min-men, connecting from the feet through the min-men up to the bai-hui and above. Now we have already expanded our chi field in great detail. And if you feel now, open your hands and feel what is the size of your chi ball. We could have done this in the start and just checking, was it this size, and what the size is now, but checking the size of your chi ball. Now, holding the chi ball, imagine this chi ball being also inside of the body. Like your chi hands are holding the ball, which goes all around you. And now we are connecting with all our relatives, friends, teachers, co-practitioners, children, all humanity that you want to bring into mind. We are bringing them into this chi field so that they will equally benefit from this healing session. Bring them all in one by one into this huge chi field that we have created. And together we can all join restoration of health from the information field. What we are doing, we are changing matter into pure energy, connecting this pure energy with the information field, exchanging that information and the chi, bringing that information back in the form of pure energy into the matter. And thus we are restoring the health into its true form. So let's expand the chi ball even further out, expanding, opening, 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 opening the heart, connecting the heart and the mind with all the people we have brought together, connecting and collecting that energy from the information field, bringing it into this chi field, penetrating all the people's chi fields that came to join us, bringing the correct information into our own chi field and into our own body. We don't need to be worried what information goes where, because the information field is pure. We will get our own correct information to ourselves. We are working in the higher dimension. We don't have to worry about anything. Carry on opening and closing a few times by yourself. Bringing everybody's chi field out into the information field. Imprinting the life's blueprint connect to each and every one. And pouring it in, absorbing, gathering, accepting. Our combined chi field is getting huge and huge, very, very strong. And we will connect also with all our masters from various aspects of the life and bring everything here into the information field, exchanging, connecting with the oneness and with the heart and mind in oneness. We will pour this back into our body and being through every chi field, into our personal chi, already much enhanced. One more time, opening the heart, opening the mind, connecting with chi field of the universe, of the true nature, of our true nature of unity, and pouring this abundant chi into our own being and body, into everybody's chi field, penetrating all tissues, layers, cells, systems, organs, structures, and the spaces in between, and having everything functioning normal, normal, normal. All discomfort is disappearing. Closing our own chi field, bringing all the beautiful energy one more time into the lower dantian, and all practitioners, teachers, friends, relatives, masters doing the same. Truly nourishing our body and being, rotating our chi field, chi ball inside the body, left, up, right, down. Do it 9 times. And 9 times the other direction, right, up, left, down. And when you are ready, you can release your hands and softly open the eyes. And then we finish by saying thank you to everybody who was present, to our masters, past, present, and future, co-practitioners, our friends, and collaborators. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.